All right, so you've got the worksheet, a little stumped on what these numbers mean. Let's take a look at what's going on here. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Zoom in here a little bit. Zoom in here a little bit. Can't zoom in. Why is that? Hold on. Figured it out. Zoomed in. That's better. All right. So what we're doing here is we're just kind of going to use. Hold on. A little smaller pencil. That's better. Okay. So here we're looking at this ruler. Think of this little chunk here as that's 1 full inch. Here's 1 full inch. There's 1 full inch. 1, 1, and 1. Right? Okay. So what it is, it's kind of like on a clock. This being the hour, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Here would be, of course, 0 o'clock. So these are the hours. Up here are the minutes. All right. In a normal hour, there are what? 60 minutes per hour. So look at the clock right now. Any clock on a cell phone, on the wall, whatever, it should give you 2 numbers. So look at my screen here. Hold on. It says 9:44. 9 hours, 44 minutes. 9:44. Okay. For you guys sitting here too, to read these times here, read the clock like you read a ruler. Like letter A, for instance. Letter A, for instance. A little smaller. Oh, come on. Okay. Letter A says it's going to be 0 o'clock, but it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes past the hour. So it's 0 and 5 minutes past the hour. Well, on an actual clock, come back over here once, there's 60 minutes per hour. So it's 45 of the 60. But we know on a clock, there's 60 minutes. So we don't say 49 and 45 sixtieths, do we? No, we don't. We say 9:45. Well, a ruler is different. A ruler could have 16 marks, 32 marks, 8 marks. We don't know. So I got to assume and tell a reader what it is. In this case, ours are all 16 marks per inch. So we are 5 minutes past the hour, or 5 of 16. So A is the 5/16 mark. Okay. B, same thing. It's going to be 0 hours and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes past the hour. 10 minutes past the hour. Now, for math class, can you reduce this? Sure you can. For the sheet here, do you have to reduce things? No, you don't. Okay, clear that one out. When you get down the road, add the hours in. Like D is 1 o'clock plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes past the hour. 1 and 7 minutes past the hour. Okay, then letter G is 2 o'clock. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, look at that. 7 past the hour. That's kind of how you read the rulers. Not too difficult. If you still aren't sure, I'd say go back and watch the video again. And just make sure you understand these are the hours. These are the minutes. Okay? All right. Hey, good luck.